This is to Alexa.
Oh,
This is to Brooke.
cards.
This is to Dave. This is to Brett. All right, open them up.
I can't get whatever's in here out. Oh, there it goes. Ooh. Sweet. Oh, cool. Thanks, Grandma.
That's where Grandma.
Oh, Grandma Moore.
What's on it?
Just a Disneyland gift card.
Well, what do you think we're gonna do with that?
I don't know. Spend it at Disney World if you ever go.
This is a Disneyland gift card inside the box.
What do you want to do with it?
Go to Disneyland.
Where do you want to go?
Disneyland. Tomorrow.
How about today?
Yeah!
Yeah!
Do you want to go today?
Yeah!
And tomorrow?
Yeah!
Do you want to get ready and go right now?
Now wait a minute. We're still opening presents.
It's like, oh, yeah. It's like, oh,
Do you want to go right now?
no.
Not right now. What the heck?
Oh, we are children.
Another Disneyland gift card.
Okay, don't lose those.
And
Okay, we're gonna eat
I got
breakfast.
Princess this gift card.
We're gonna eat breakfast and get dressed and go to Disneyland.
No.
And stay in a hotel tonight and go to Disneyland tomorrow.
Yeah!
Yeah.
I don't want to go to Disneyland.
Alright, well you can stay home.
I don't want to go right now.
Well, it's too bad. We're going to go in a little bit.
Car.